Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology .NET developer. The company TeamMinds Software Private Limited. The experience need is 5 to 8 years. The location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune. The experience need is 5 plus years. The location is Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, work from home. The notice period must be immediate joining or 30 days of time. The education need is any graduate. The second technology is Azure full stack developer to the company Bosch Ltd. The experience need is 6 to 9 years. The location is Bangalore. The experience with working C Spark and Netcore and MVB is required and Azure certification is required. The qualification is degree in computer science or relevant field with minimum 6 years of experience. The third technology is Azure Technical Project Lead for the PiMARQ. The experience need is 15 to 18 years. The location is Bangalore. Minimum 4 plus years of experience in rational or unstructured data technologies such as SQL Server, Azure SQL Data Lake, and HD Insight is required. Overall experience 8 to 12 years is maximum. And the education required is any graduate. The fourth technology is Power BI or Azure Lead for the company ACUVATE Software Private Limited. The experience need is 5 to 10 years. Location is Hyderabad, Bangalore. The strong skills and the ability to pull together disparate data source and understanding self-service of BI, analytical and user security, mobility and other BI. The qualification must be any graduate. The fifth technology is Azure Solution Architect for the company Inspiration Manpower. The experience need is 11 to 14 years. The location is Bangalore. The qualification need is any graduate. The link will be given in the video description so you can apply for these jobs. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for more job details. Thank you.